my channel. Today we are going to learn about group 3 sound. Okay, group 3 has 6 letters. They are G, O, U, L, L, V. Hope you know. Okay, number one, first letter for group 3 is G. How to write letter G? Okay, like this. Okay, here we go. This is letter G formation. Capital G, the sound make G. Small G, the sound make G. This is small G formation. G, G, G. Okay, please write in your book one line for G, one line. Please write G formation, small G only, one line. In your book, in a 4 draw lines book. Okay, so this is, and then this is letter E, A sound. Letter E, A sound. Letter E, A. Letter H, H, R, 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 M, Okay, can you write? Of course. Okay, here we go. Another next sentence, next lessons. What is this? What is this? This is glass. This is glass. Okay, in this lesson, we are gonna be choice g sound in this picture. One of the picture has doesn't g sound. Can you choice for this doesn't g sound? Okay, I will show you one example. What is this? This is glass. This one is glass. Okay, what is this? This is plug goes down the drain. The water goes down the drain. The water goes down the drain with a plug. Plug. This one is plug. This one is hand. And the last one is frog. Okay, please listen again. Glass, plug, frog, hand. Can you choose which one has? Doesn't g sound. Okay, you got it? Okay, I will show you the correct answer. This one has doesn't g sound. So we're gonna be cross out this picture. Okay. Here we go. Another one.